Skill 1, example number 3. So this example says we need to use a compass and straight edge to make an angular bisector, alright, for the angle I. So the angle I would be right here. So I'm trying to find the bisector or the line that will cut this angle in a perfect half, okay? So for me to do that, again, I need to use my compass, and this is where I would put my compass. So again, I will try to put it right here on my point I, okay? And I will extend it a little bit past the middle of each of my lines. So I'll go ahead and draw my bisector. So draw my bisector arch, okay? And then do the same thing on the second line. So draw my bisecting arch, okay? What I will do now is that I'm going to put a point at those arches that I drew that's on the line. So there will be a point right here, and then there will be a point right here, okay? Those will be the next points that I'm going to put my compass at the same distance that I had my compass at, alright? So I go ahead and draw next bisector towards the center point of where that angle would be, and then do the same thing at the next point and draw that same center point, okay? And then that will give me my third point. And then now you're going to click the option that says ray, okay? Because the question wants you to write a ray. So you're going to click the option that says ray. A ray is a line that's going in one direction starting from a singular point, okay? And then you're going to go through that point that we found for the angle bisector, alright? So this is a ray. So a ray is a line that's going in one specific direction from a starting point, alright? So it has an arrow at the end and it has a starting point. So again, this will be the result.